Hey guys, Dave from Ghetto Van Adventures. Mike is cranking the camera. This is the cheapest air conditioner that you will ever get. It was off a vacuum that died, saved the hose. I taped off a bungee cord on it. So what I do is I just stick it down there, wrap it around again, and I hook them together. There. Because my Focus lost its air conditioning about 2 years ago. And this hose here, as I'm driving down the road, the air goes in here and comes out here. I stick it under my shirt and it gets a nice breeze, keeps me nice and cool. Now you might want to put a little screen there so you don't pick up a bee or something else fly in, but this is the cheapest air conditioner that you will ever have. So I hope that keeps you cool. It's great on a nice hot day like today, driving down the road, your sweater's all puffed out, you don't sweat, don't do anything. Great. Have a good one, guys.